This video demonstrates how to draw a horizontal or vertical line in your email signature template with SigSync Editor. To draw a horizontal or vertical line, set the line width, style and the required color to one of the borders. That is, for a horizontal line, set the width, style and color to either the top or bottom border. Similarly, for a vertical line, use the left or right border. Let's draw a horizontal line in the email signature. Click the outermost table cell in your signature template. Click the Border tab from the Properties pane. In the Border bottom option, set the width. You can also change the style and color of the line accordingly. You can preview the changes. Let's draw a vertical line between the profile photo and the signature field. Click the outermost table cell that contains the signature field. Click the Border tab from the Properties pane. In the Border left option, set the width, style, and color. The vertical line is drawn at the selected area. You can preview the changes. Try SigSync for free today.